Hi Caleb, I'm responding to your video about reliable information. You made some really good points about the fake news. We're seeing that take over a lot of the internet and such, so we really have to ensure that we're getting our information from reliable sources. And you had mentioned also that we have to actually know something about the topic. The more you know it, the more thorough you are with it, the easier it is going to be to to actually present the information. The more credible you're going to sound, and then just even going back to the reliable resources, like your credibility is on the line, and so you have to make sure that you have done your research and that you're going to present with valuable information. You always have to research it, and if you've done a really good job of researching, it's really going to show in your presentation. And when people ask questions, you're going to have, a better response. You're not going to have as many, oh, I don't know, or just trying to make something up on the fly. So, research is definitely valuable.